Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphone Sony XM6 on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, click on it and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option, right here at the bottom of the left ear cup, we have a power button, and you can press one time at the power button and you will hear a voice prompt with the battery level. So now I'm just click on it and it said battery level is 69%. The last option is to use an application. So open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu, and right here we have battery percentages. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.